See, can y'all hear?
What's up? You got pretty hair.
I fuck with it. Can y'all see or no? Okay, yeah, okay. As long as y'all can see, we good, bitch. Not shit still shook. Girl, his dick was thick as fuck. It grew fast. Make me want to suck some dick now, you know? Hey, what's up?
What's up?
How are you?
Good.
You want to hear a story?
You smoking a boy?
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. I got a question, y'all. Can you put an eighth in one blunt for the weed smokers in here?
What's good?
Shut the fuck up. What's that?
Did you say shut the fuck up? You know what?
I'm sorry. I'm high as fuck right now.
You look baked as fuck.
I guess so. Yeah, that's me. Who is the? That's the dick. Yeah, you can. Maybe a backwood. Look at the smokers in the comments, yo. Like, how many of y'all smoke weed like on a regular? Like, I'm talking about you smoke weed on a regular basis.
What's up?
And how much y'all be copping when y'all cop? Let's see who broke and who not. You said what? Fuck you, nigga. Answer what the fuck. No, I don't want to put the cock on the screen. It's too many people in here. It's 4,000 people in here. If I show that dick, all it takes is like 3 seconds, bitch, the whole count disappears. No. Y'all know bitches be watching. Haters. Instagram be watching me, bitch. They be hating on me. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I'll beat your rabbit ass. Girl, go on stop some motherfucking business. Put that hoe and come playing with me, y'all. Now she woke me up. I'm high right now.
I got you.
You trying to get some head in the back seat?
Yeah, that's what I'm real quick.
Hold on, not you. You're ugly. The friend in the back seat.
Oh my god. That's some time.
Oh, adios, mijo. Too many of them. Too many people in a fucking Honda for me. It's the Honda for me. Make a VIP.
What's up?
Yo, what's good?
Yeah, how old are you? What's good with you?
My fucking throat. My throat. That's what's
right.
good.
No funny shit. Yo, I'm with y'all.
What's
up
up?
with you?
What's good with you?
What you get into? What are you smoking? What's that?
I can't tell you all of that.
That's a sec.
No, what the fuck? Imagine me smoking a stick of it. Fuck out of here.
Dog, that shit out of pocket. Yo, add me.
How do I do that?
Hold me.
You follow me first. I'm a hood bitch. You know I'm ghetto.
Oh, they gonna talk to you.
Oh, girl. You doing too. Oh, wait, no! No! The friend look good. The friend look better than him. God, send another nigga.
I got a bitch question. Can you add time really fast?
Sure. What's that?
Okay. So basic question. I'm pretty sure everybody asks people this. I hope so, at least. Do you know how to twerk?
Do I what?
Know how to twerk?
Mm-hmm.
Can I see it?
If I get up and twerk, my dick is gonna bounce around.
What?
I know. Shit's tough, ain't it?
What's gonna bounce?
You said what?
What is gonna bounce?
I forgot you sound white. Let me use your word. My cock is gonna jump everywhere if I get up and twerk right now.
I'm not white.
Oh, that's the most important thing you pointed out that I said.
No, you're just vibing like that.
Okay. Girl, well, my dick will jump all across my thighs if I get up and start working. Bitch, no.
Whoa, are you a nigga or are you a girl?
I'm a nigga that's not interested in you. What's up?
Oh, you're a dude?
Yeah, a pretty one.
No, nigga, you trash.
Nah, bitch, I look great. Don't lie to yourself. Shut up. Thanks so much. Mwah.
Nigger.
Mwah. You know, white folks love the word cock. I want to hear white people have sex. That's what I want to sneak on. Now, if my eyes serve me correct, that's a fucking dick, ain't it?
No, it's a person.
How many people you got with it? Girl, God, so wild. Bitch, I'm tired. Bitch, I'm tired. Why the fuck is there so many?
Huh?
It's like your mouth is so small, but I know a lot of food can fit in there. Why is there so many like Hispanic-looking, Polynesian-looking people on here? Like, what happened to the Negroes? All I see is Islanders and white. Bitch, not to you. I don't want you, Justin. You too fucking loud for me. Shut the fuck up, bitch. You loud as fuck. Bitch, the fuck? Shut your ugly ass up. Bitch, nah, I can't call her ugly, you know what I mean? I just, I gotta say ugly, bitch. Even if the bitch ain't ugly, I gotta call her ugly. Bitch thought she had a friend.
What's up?
You got 3 girls in your phone that's trying to fuck right now. Stop playing with their emotions.
I'm trying to fuck you me, so they're cool with it.
Yeah, he just too cool for school. Them little pretty smooth boys, they have no little white girls drooling. It's the bunk bed for me. Bitch, it is lit. Mind your fucking business. That's what you can do. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. You know. You know. What's that? You want some hair? Never mind.
I don't know.
That's fine.
Are you good?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm so sorry.
Are you good?
Wrong number. Wrong number. It's the wrong number. It's the wrong fucking number. My bad, babe. Gotta really be careful with that fucking question. What's that?
What's wrong?
Yo, he look mad familiar. Yo, ask him time. You look like that's who you are. Yeah, I know I recognize you. Mm-hmm. I used to fuck with him.
Oh my god.
Oh, this one of the girls.
So.
What's the giving? What's the giving? What's the giving?
Nothing. Add time, man.
Okay, girl, hold on. What's tea?
You know how long I've been watching your ass?
Ah! What's
I've
up?
been watching that ass. I don't know.
We here now, bitch. What's the giving? What you want monkey giving the girls?
I'm trying to see what niggas at. Here.
I keep running into fucking Hispanics, bitch. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know. And they be calling me out my fucking name, thinking like they can say the word nigga.
You know me, I like to fight. That's me. Where you from?
I swear to God, I'm from Charlotte, but I was born in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Are you on live right now?
You said what?
Are you on live?
Yeah, say hey.
Hey, live.
Yes, it's only like 30 people in here.
Oh, okay. You just getting started.
You know, just like how we know, it's beginning
Right.
stage.
Before you get into your hours.
Which, yeah, we be doing hours. It's crazy. But you be safe out here, friend. Don't catch corona now.
When I come.
Oh, damn, that's crazy. Add time with him now. I don't like films, baby. Sorry. He was a cute boy, but I don't like feminine boys. Would I let you fuck me? Maybe.
Who you talking to?
Ask them sound, little boy. You.
Oh.
I don't know what the fuck. Who's spraying the fucking mean green in the back? What the fuck is that sound effect?
You a nigga?
Shh. Calm down. Calm down. I fuck good.
You a nigga?
Don't nobody gotta know.
You a nigga?
How about this? If I hold my dick while you fucking me, it's not there. That was too far for him. That was too far. I took it too far. I can admit. That was a bit much. Okay.
What's up? My nigga. What you doing?
I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna say this on live. I don't understand why Hispanic people feel comfortable to say nigger. I don't understand. It feels like a white person saying it when they say it. I don't. I must have missed the meeting. I missed the nigga meeting where we said, okay, them Hispanic bitches can say it too. It's just like, it don't even, what, bitch?
So what's up?
What's up? I am one, and a beat your ass black one. Remember that much. I mean, that might have just offended a few hundred people in here, but I'm just saying. I don't know. That shit be annoying me.
You was on Instagram.
No, that's my sister. Oh my god, I hate everybody.
You got that boy Iron Ass. You got the boy.
Speaking of Iron Ass, let's call him. Hold on, we can call him. Let me see if he gonna answer. I need to tell him I love him. Sometimes I tell him I love him because I just want to fuck him. I never what? I never tell him I love him. Oh. Real bitches been bad bitches from birth. Could kiss him when he coming. Make more money last year than Mr. Wow. I'm trying to call. He's not answering. He's homophobic. He hates gays and he's homophobic. No, he's not. He's homophobic. That's all I gotta say. Wow. Thought he was gonna answer for me. I'm trying to eat some. Hello, what's up?
What?
Oh, too kinky for my own guy. That's serious?
Big dick daddy up in your ass.
What the fuck you just said to me?
Said big dick daddy up in your ass.
You know, you watch your motherfucking mouth. How about that? That's what you can fucking do.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck you.
Get These little kids.
Yo, what up?
Yeah, what's good?
Tell him. Where y'all from? You heard?
You said what?
So where y'all from?
I'm from Richmond.
Oh, so sorry.
You look like you a lot of bitches. Oh, he wasn't that cute. We're his brother. It's the gap. It's the long ass beach head for me.
Suck dick for some money? You wanna suck dick for some money?
The friend in the background is me, hustling.
Oh God.
That's
I'm
me.
sleep.
That's me. He could snuff me. Oh my God. I'm a hood bitch. That's the big. Y'all know what I want to do? I want to ride around with a bunch of hood niggas. I'm the only gay nigga. That's what I want to do, bitch. I know the trap busting on the east side right now, bitch. Everybody, well, Corona. Well, Corona don't stop drug addicts.
My nigga.
Shut the fuck up. You sound fat. That's what you fucking sound like. I don't fucking want you. I want to go to... Any of y'all ever been to a trap house before? Like a real one? You in a Waffle House? Wow. Oh, okay. We still smoking that plant. This shit pulls slow as fuck. I'm telling you. This like one of them Chinese backwood. For real. No kids out.
What's up?
What's up? Maybe I need some titties.
That's more stuff.
Oh, what's up? Oh, shit. You stay away. I can't hear you, little boy.
Big you like him.
Huh?
How big you like him?
How big do I like him?
How big you like him? Yeah.
I like him pretty fucking big. I'm a hood bitch. Now, when it comes to fucking, I need an average size because I like my pussy tight. But when it comes to sucking dick, just give it to me. Just give me whatever you fucking got. I like a challenge.
Like you.
I'm a hood bitch.
That's more time.
I need to see your face, though. Oh, your name is Big Black C. Hold on. What's poppin'? Where's that? But put your face in the camera first. Then put your dick in the camera first. Okay. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, that's the dick. Oh, that's the dick. Oh. Where you at? What city are you in? That was a fat ass dick, bitch. Oh my God. She was big as fuck. Come on, vocal. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God, are they in fucking Iraq? Look like they in Iraq. No, I said it look like y'all in Iraq. It look like when the rooms Osama sent a threatening video to America in?